Diego saying, Moscow saying, España, Kingston saying, San Diego saying, shut down saying.
Come straight on that number one.
What are we doing?
We're bowling.
Bowling?
Sweep it
Logan's
in and come
birthday.
between the 1 and the 3.
Kind of trash. Oh, 19 miles an hour. Where we going, Seth?
Hey, beach, I think. Maybe a little bit.
We are.
We got the boat.
When I need motivation, my one solution is my queen, cause she stays strong. Yeah, yeah. She is always in my corner, right there when I wanna. All these other girls are tempting, but I'm empty when you're gone. And they say, do you need me? Do you think I'm pretty? Do I make you feel like cheating? I'm like, no, not really, cause oh, I think that I found myself a cheerleader. She is always right there when I need her. Oh, I think that I found myself a cheerleader.
Yeah. There you go. There you go. Yeah, why don't you do it in the water, buddy? I know, we don't cut clips here.
We need to go over there, bro.
Holy shit, stick to the sore. Bruh.
Give me the gun.
No!
Was a girl in the village doing alright. Then I became a princess overnight. Now I gotta figure out how to.
Holy shit. Wait, they don't live in my days. Hell no, they don't. Go around it. Go on the ground, bud. No, do not get go. I'm sad, can you please? He's coming, bruh. Hold up.
Let me show the vlog. These are my dumplings.
Alright guys, we just blew a flat tire and we're in the middle of the road now, so. Tucker, what happened? Yeah, that's not very good. Yeah. Okay. Well, we need help.
You think this person's gonna stop? Of course they won't. Why would they stop? They got better places to be, for real. Anyways, still stuck. It's about 10 minutes later. Hutch is coming to get us. It's gonna take like 30 minutes though, so we just gotta sit here in agony. Hell yeah. Still won't stop though, for real. People change when you're on the side of the road. Hutch is coming. That's our savior, bruh. He's right here. Yeah!
Bitch was cross-threaded.
Go for it.
How does that not happen to that?
All right, new tire. Good stuff, Seth. Thank you, Hutch.
Thank you.
Thanks, bro.
Thank you, Hutch. Very good man.
From now on, don't point the camera at me. I could be in NASCAR.
Nah, we were pretty quick with that.
No, we're not. That shit took forever.
To get the fucking tools here,
Dad pissed.
we changed it in 2
He
minutes.
called me.
It's the next day. I lost my hat yesterday, so we're shopping today and getting a new one.
Is this gas?
Yeah, man.
Okay, I'm gonna get it.
Dude, what the hell, dude?
Oh my God, look at this one.
The fish guys.
Oh my, real legends.
I can tell you are
That's a corn fit.
a real legend. Freestyle rocker. Oh, you talking about me?
Yeah, look at your chair.
Yeah, you see me rocking?
I see you rocking.
Yeah, I'm rocking. Seth's changing right now for the new fit. We're gonna give him a little fit check. Oh, he's back. Oh my God, that's so fire. Wait, show me the hat, show me the hat. Oh, it's a little zest, but.
What? Oh, I'm sorry. I got you. And then I'll just pull him down.
I don't know about that one.
Looks like the same shit.
Wow, dude. It looks like something you'd wear.
Do you not already own that, dude?
Stop pulling your pants down.
Oh, shit.
Oh my God.
Do you mess with it?
That is low-key swag.
Holy shit.
Oh.
Check the drip.
Yes.
That is a big bass, boy.
Dang.
Dang, he snapped my rod.
You know when they have like the showcase and stuff?
Yeah? Oh my God. Another big bird.
Oh my
I know, but where's the other rock?
That is a trophy fish right there.
Holy.
Well, let's go
That's a
upstairs.
fat catfish.
Is the elevator?
Sorry.
What'd you say?
4th of July.
Oh,
4th of July?
yeah, man.
He's calling us. I think we need to look at shotguns.
No. What'd you do, Seth?
I talked to my sister in one of these one time at Academy. And they had to like come unlock it. She was in there for like 20 minutes.
Oh my God. That's so bad. Meal with the family. Say it again. I don't know why Hutch always just looks exotic, bruh. So cinematic. So, we're going to Georgia, and there's some traffic in the way.
No, there's not.
We went into grass a little bit just to get ahead of the line.
Oh, police.
Police. Is he gonna do something or kind of stuck here, buddy? What'd you get, Hutch?
I got a license plate, a hat.
Can you
and-
back up?
Wait.
Oh my God. License plate, hat. Nice. What'd you get, SK? What'd you get? Oh my god.
Oh, you want to see?
Those for you?
Funny. No, it's for my kid. Okay, this is the front.
Oh,
and
okay,
then-
okay. Facts. Oh, boom. What's going on, Seth? What you getting?
I want to buy this for my peach bush. What did I
You're
do?
supposed to say it too.
Oh, sorry.
Thanks for watching,
Thank
guys.
you,
See you
guys.
next week.
See you next week.
Subscribe.
Yeah, do that.
Yeah.
That was disgusting. Aim training.